Hi guys, welcome. Uh, I mean, hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna play Animal Crossing City Folk, and I'm gonna do a town tour for y'all guys. And I hope I get some likes and stuff. So here, here's Animal Crossing. Okay, here's me. Here's my little gyroids. There's Freya's house, and there's Freya right there. Here's Nibble's house. She's right there. My pear trees, and I got some orange trees too. I'm gonna show you. Here's one right there and there. Here's my Christmas lights on the trees. Here's Bob's house, which is a purple cat with a dark purple spot. And here's Goose house, a white chicken. Here he is right here, wearing a shirt from some town.